What's up guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotics, and today I'm gonna show you Ferrari F12 Berlinetta 2017. Okay, I got this car from Salvage Insurance Auto Auction, and this car has been hit on the left side. Main frame is main frame has been good, just crushed by rails. We replaced two reinforcements, upper, lower, and whole suspension. Wheels I put in from Ferrari F12 Superfast because they stand out pretty clean, because original they sit in super deep inside. So those wheels is look sick. They pretty pricey. I believe like each wheel 5,000 from the dealer, I guess. So door is original, and this car been hit on the back also. So I replaced the trunk and rear bumper. I replaced it. My bumper I fixed. It's fixable, but I replaced it because I used to have a good clean bumper, you know. So original tail light, bumper like pretty much brand new from good parts car. Trunk has been pretty clean. I bought it from eBay, I guess. Quarter panel original, been pretty clean. I believe this side has been bended a little bit, this side, but Yuri, my frame guy, he fixed pretty clean job. Headlight is original, bumper is used, perfect condition. I bought it from eBay also. They're pretty pricey, especially this grill is crazy. It's unbelievable. I believe like 800 or 1,000 bucks for the middle grill. Is pretty heavy. You know what crazy expensive? I didn't expect it, but those aerodynamic, they electrical and they open and close, and they're pretty pricey, super pricey. So Ferrari 4A8 bumper is cheaper than F12 bumper. And windshield I bought it from Fair Parts. Pretty clean windshield. AC condenser, air duct, AC fan, I bought it from Fair Parts. I believe it's brand new. Yeah, it's brand new, all those parts. This car I fixed for myself with my personal car, and that's why I put in a lot of miles. That's 3,000 miles. That's a lot for this car, like for 1 year, less than 1 year. But this very comfy, super comfy car. The brake caliper is been original also, and brake rotor been original and good. I love V12 cars. My favorite car is Ferrari F12 Superfast. This is my favorite car. This car is before A12. This is same model, but this is before, like F12, and after F12 is going A12 Superfast. So I love this car. I love how it drives. I love how it handles. But compared to A12, huge difference. A12 is gonna kill this car, you know. So I like 458 handle better than this one. I mean, this is good to daily, but 458, 488 handle better. This car is not good on a straight, but it's bad on a corners, you know, it's hard to, like, I mean, it's not the perfect car on the corners. This car is comfortable to drive, super comfortable, but it's sometimes I'm tired to drive every day. Sometimes I want to just drive regular car, just regular some Mercedes or BMW. No more BMW, like, joking. Yeah, but when I got this car, I've been very upset because the image been like crazy big. Front actually looks super scary. It's not that bad, but when I find out extra stuff like a harness problem, the steering column problem, I still have to fix the backup camera. Doesn't work. I bought a camera from eBay and camera doesn't work for some reason, and I have to replace the emergency brake actuator. That's all, pretty much. This car is pretty much fully carbon, but I'm surprised the dashboard somebody put in just regular. Somebody who ordered before, like original owner, he ordered just aluminum pieces. It's not carbon, you know. So hey guys, I'm surprised I raced with Lamborghini Aventador SVJ on the straight, and I kill on this car. I killed the Lambo. You know, I mean, I don't want to tell on the YouTube how much my speed limit, but it's been pretty fast.
65.
You know? Yeah, always 65, 70, sometimes 72. I love to drive on a long way. This car is for long way, is really comfortable, but for the racetrack, no, not really. Ferrari, usually all Ferraris, they're pretty simple. Like they don't have something like Lamborghini, like big screens and stuff. They're like nice, clean, and classy, you know. So this car, sometimes for me this car looks very simple, but I love classy, you know. I love classy cars. Like I'm Ferrari guy. I love Lambo, but I'm Ferrari guy, you know. When I bought my first Ferrari, I don't like steering wheel because signal lights is over there, you know, and I'm thinking it's not comfortable. But I love this lights, like this button, more comfortable than anything else for me. All those years, how many times I fixed Ferraris, I never have problem. How much I remember, I never have any problem with Ferraris. But I drive this car in Los Angeles, and my main pipe blow, and my antifreezes came out from the car. So guys, I use Uber, and I've been very upset, very disappointed, because I drive I put in like about 300 miles maybe 4, and nothing happened, but in Los Angeles it happened. So when I feel smell like antifreeze, I thought on the front of me something happened with Aventador, and then I realized that maybe it's my antifreeze. So I find the Armenian guy, he's pretty cool guy. He helped me, and I offer him some money. He's like, no bro, but take it easy, you know. Thanks for him. He helped me with tools, with jug, and I use the pipe. I already replaced this pipe. I already put in factory, but I use it from AutoZone, some regular pipe. But the reason why it happened, because the pipe after accident, pipe maybe hit it, and it's like some inside on the rubber, maybe have some very small cracks. That's what happened, you know. That's only happened on a Ferrari, but everything else is, oh yeah, and a couple times I almost crashed this car, like almost crashed. It happened in the on the road, on the rally when we did in Vegas. If you like the video, comment on below and let me know what you want to see exactly, what kind of style you like better. I'm trying to do a new style of the video. Let me know which one you like better. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.